Welcome to my YouTube channel Turbo Ride TV. Today we're diving into something that blends American muscle attitude with futuristic luxury travel, the USA luxury motorhome Mustang Motorhome 2026 model. This machine isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement on wheels, built for people who want the comfort of a luxury apartment and the presence of a performance-inspired giant rolling down the highway. So let's get straight into what makes this 2026 Mustang Motorhome such a fascinating creation. From the moment you see it, the exterior instantly grabs your attention. The front design carries the bold Mustang-inspired fascia, with sharp signature lighting, an illuminated Mustang emblem, and a wide aerodynamic stance that makes it look more like a futuristic transport vehicle from a sci-fi movie than a traditional RV. Its sleek body lines, blended with sculpted metallic surfaces, give it an aggressive and premium look. The large panoramic windshield wraps around the cockpit like a jet canopy, offering not only a commanding driving view but also contributing to the aerodynamic efficiency. The multi-axle layout at the rear ensures stability while also giving the entire motorhome a powerful, commanding road presence. LED strips outline the edges, creating a futuristic glow during night drives, and the 2026 model introduces modular exterior panels that resist scratches, weather damage, and UV fade. It looks tough, luxurious, and futuristic all at the same time. Move inside and the real magic begins. The interior feels like stepping into a high-end luxury penthouse designed with futuristic inspiration. The Mustang DNA subtly blends into the cabin with flowing curves, metallic trims, and ambient lighting lines that create a premium, sci-fi environment. The bedroom is designed like a boutique hotel suite, complete with a soft-lit wall panel, a queen-size memory foam bed, ample storage, and an automatic privacy screen. Next to it is a fully equipped kitchen featuring a smart induction cooktop, dual-zone refrigerator, touch-responsive cabinets, and foldable counter extensions for extra workspace. The ambient LED lighting adjusts automatically based on time of day, creating a relaxing environment whether you're cooking a meal or settling in for the evening. Moving further, the lounge area includes a multi-functional sofa, rotating recliner seats, a hologram-style center table that doubles as an entertainment system, and an ultra-wide smart window that can switch between transparent, tinted, or full display mode for streaming media. The cockpit itself is a marvel. A panoramic digital dashboard, holographic heads-up display, and a futuristic steering module make the driver feel fully connected to the road and the vehicle, with AI-assisted navigation, lane guidance, and travel suggestions built right in. Performance is where the 2026 Mustang Motorhome surprises most people. You might expect a vehicle of this size to feel slow or heavy, but this model incorporates a hybrid twin-power system, combining a high-output V8-inspired performance unit with an electric torque booster. Together, they deliver smooth acceleration even on inclines and impressive pulling capability for towing additional vehicles or trailers. The electric drive assists at lower speeds for silent, effortless city maneuvering, while the combustion engine engages on highways, giving you the familiar Mustang-inspired growl with powerful torque. The adaptive suspension automatically adjusts according to road conditions, reducing cabin vibration and increasing passenger comfort. Despite its size, the steering and braking feel precise thanks to advanced electronic control systems. Whether cruising on wide American highways or navigating through urban zones, the motorhome feels surprisingly manageable and planted. Safety is clearly a priority in this 2026 model. It comes equipped with 360-degree radar and lidar sensors, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and collision prevention. The smart towing assistant helps maintain stability even when hauling extra weight, and the AI road assessment feature constantly analyzes weather and road conditions to warn the driver ahead of time. Fire-resistant materials are used in the kitchen and electrical zones, while the battery and fuel systems are isolated with multi-layer safety containment. The cockpit also has infrared driver monitoring to ensure alertness during long trips. On the passenger side, emergency lighting, smoke sensors, and advanced airbag placement enhance overall safety for everyone on board. What truly sets the Mustang Motorhome apart are its unique selling points. First is the combination of American performance heritage with futuristic comfort, something rarely seen in modern motorhomes. Second is the hybrid powertrain that balances muscle with eco-efficiency. Third is the interior tech, featuring holographic displays, AI navigation, smart appliances, and fully customizable lighting environments. Another standout feature is the transformable lounge area, which can shift between entertainment mode, work mode, or sleeping mode with automated adjustments. The smart windows, modular storage, and energy-efficient climate system add convenience that most motorhomes simply don't offer. And of course, the styling, inside and out, makes this model look like it's from 2035, not 2026. When it comes to price, the Mustang Motorhome 2026 model sits in the premium luxury segment. Depending on configuration and special packages, the price typically ranges from around $420,000 to $610,000. Buyers can customize exterior colors, interior themes, powertrain configurations, and advanced tech add-ons, which may increase the price further. While it's certainly not cheap, considering the blend of luxury, technology, performance, and exclusivity, the price aligns with high-end American motorhome standards. In conclusion, the USA luxury motorhome Mustang Motorhome 2026 model is an extraordinary blend of muscle-inspired design, futuristic interior comfort, and advanced performance engineering. It stands out in the world of luxury motorhomes with its bold Mustang identity, cutting-edge tech, and premium travel experience. If you're someone who wants power, presence, luxury, and next-generation features all in one rolling masterpiece, this motorhome might just be the perfect dream machine. Thanks for watching Turbo Ride TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible automotive breakdowns.